Welcome everybody to our first devlog. This is of a game we call, at the moment, Project Toaster because it's just purely a project name and we don't have a name for the game. It started off as a game jam that we did in 9 days right here called RPS Tactics. And let me get a zoom in here. There we go. And we will demo the game for you real quick. It is a let me move my mouse. So we have player phase. I will take my scissors here and I'll move it up. The animations are brutally slow right now. My computer must be lagging. Alright, hit on the first time. Yeah, I think my PC might be lagging at the moment. The animations are brutally slow right now. It's a tactical RPG. You have rock, scissors, paper. And there's quite a large map here. And when you beat this map, there's a drawbridge right here that you'll go inside of, and you'll face the next map, and there will be enemies in here that you'll fight on this map. So since then we've been working on several things, and this is where I'll hand it over to Monkey to show off his stuff.
Hello, okay, so this is where we're at now with Project Toaster, a few weeks after the Game Jam version. Looks a lot the same, but one thing you can't see is all the tiles are 64 by 64 now, because we plan on having better textures. You can zoom in and out, and you can also change the window without it stretching, so that's useful. And UI scales there. The main thing I've been working on though is objects around the map. So like these trees are objects because they work differently than, like, they're not static, and we'll be using things like this for everything from like chests to doors, anything we want to be interactable. So this is useful if there's an enemy or a player behind the tree. Now you can see them, because in the Game Jam version I believe you just stand on the trees. But other than that, it's pretty much the same. All the characters are gonna change though, because the theme will be different. And yeah, I think that's about it.
Alright, so this is what we've been working on art-wise. You can tell these are the same things, they're just been refined to a lot more detail. They're still a long ways from being completion. They're going to be colored and everything else. We're just trying to get the texture, shape, and whatnot to them and get them defined first at the current size. As you can see, this part here has not been done. You can tell a clear difference here between top and the bottom kind of thing here. And over here, this has been started, but it's not very progressed. And we're going to set this as an object, so you'll be able to see through that, and you can see the difference here between what we've done and what we haven't done here. Of course, this is not finished, it's just progressed. Here we have some more tile sets. These have not had much done to them other than being enlarged. Next we have our deep fryer character. This is one of our storyline characters, and it will have like animations here. where it closes his eyes and blinks, kind of thing. And these will animate. A lot of things will animate on this eventually, but this is very early. We have our another character here, our blender. This red here is going to be replaced with particle effects that will, when it brings the enemy in here, it'll break the enemy into particles and spin them around in here. And it has the blades here that animate like that, but it'll look like this without the red in here. And it will not, specifically be blood. It'll just be whatever color the sprites are. But the red's in there so that you can, see the minor details here with the shading in this area here. This was our next one right here, our fridge here, and I love the fridge. Fridge is like one of our favorites at the moment. So he blinks, and I think I've got that messed up. Yeah, there's something messed up about that I haven't fixed yet. But he looks so cute with his eyes closed. Looks so cute with his eyes closed. And he's pretty well progressed in. And this is our newest one here, the toaster. He doesn't have any kind of animations at all. He's still very early. I'm not particularly happy with him yet. I mean, he's definitely not bad. I mean, this is like the 7th or 8th iteration of him, probably. So, yeah, he's been a trouble. And seeing how our aim is to make him the main character, he really needs to look really good. So, we're still working on that. And I think that's about it for this week's dev vlog. Thank you everybody for joining us, and stay tuned for next week's dev vlog.